So right now I want to order some cooking gas, and this is the cylinder that I have. I want to teach you something before we do so. When you look at this cylinder, you'll always find a number written here. It can range anywhere between 6, 8 or 8 point whatever, and this is usually the weight of this particular cylinder once it's empty. I'm going to be washing mine in a few. I haven't been using it for quite some time. As you can see, this one has been written 8.0. So when we weigh this and it's completely empty, it's supposed to be about 8.0 kgs. As you can see, this is a 6 kg gas. So when it's completely full, it should be 8.0 plus 6.0 kgs of gas. That's about 14 kgs when it's completely full. If yours is written 7.5 and this is a 6 kg gas cylinder, it should read 7.5 plus 6.0. That's about 13.5 kgs. If yours reads here 8.5, it should be 8.5 plus 6.0 kgs of gas that has been inserted here. So we are going to weigh this and we'll find out if it's 8 kgs. I have this that I'm going to be measuring with, and you just put it on. As you can see, it's reading 00. I'll hook it there, then I'll lift it. And you can see it has locked, and reading this, it reads 9.35 kgs of this material. So we are going to measure using the new cylinder that I'm going to be brought for, and we'll see how much gas is inside. So I got this delivered and we are going to weigh this, and as earlier mentioned, the cylinder was 8 kgs, but this one has not been written anything, so we are just going to assume it's roughly the same since it's from the same company. The gas that is inside is 6 kgs, so this should come to roughly about 14 kgs. Let's weigh this and let's find out. I'll put this on. As you can see, it's at 00. As you can see, it has locked in at 14.19 kgs, and when you roughly subtract 8.0, it comes to about 6.2 kgs of gas. So that's a quick hack that you've learned today, and you should use that to make sure that you're not getting gas that is less than what you've ordered. Bye.